efficient infrastructure innovations in the USA, leading the way toward a sustainable future. The United States is at the forefront of efficient infrastructure innovation, leveraging technology, sustainability, and strategic planning to address the demands of a growing population and a changing climate. In this article, we'll explore key steps and methods being employed in the USA to advance infrastructure efficiency, setting an example for the rest of the world. Smart technology revolutionizing infrastructure in the USA. The US is a global leader in integrating smart technologies to modernize its infrastructure. Smart cities initiatives, cities like New York, Chicago, and San Francisco are adopting IoT sensors to manage traffic, reduce energy consumption, and improve public safety. Connected transportation systems. Programs such as the U.S. Department of Transportation's Smart City Challenge focus on using AI and data to optimize traffic and public transit networks. Smart grids. U.S. utilities are investing in advanced grids that balance energy demand, integrate renewable energy sources, and reduce outages. Sustainability is a key priority for U.S. infrastructure projects, with an emphasis on reducing environmental impact. Green infrastructure. States like California and Oregon are incorporating recycled materials, green roofs, and sustainable urban drainage systems into new developments. Carbon neutral construction. The Biden administration's net zero emissions by 2050 plan encourages the use of green concrete, renewable materials, and energy-efficient designs, modular and prefabricated building techniques. The U.S. construction industry is adopting modular and prefabricated methods to reduce costs and timelines. High-impact projects. Hospitals and affordable housing in cities like Los Angeles and Atlanta are being built using prefabricated modules, cutting construction time by up to 50%. Military applications. The U.S. Department of Defense uses modular construction for rapid deployment of bases and infrastructure in remote areas. The U.S. is a pioneer in integrating renewable energy into its infrastructure systems. Solar highways. States like Georgia are installing solar panels along highways to generate clean energy while optimizing land use. Wind energy expansion. Texas leads the nation in wind power, using innovative infrastructure to integrate wind energy into the grid efficiently. Electric vehicle EV infrastructure. The federal government has allocated billions to expand EV charging networks, making clean transportation more accessible. Water management innovations in the USA. Water scarcity and flooding are pressing issues in many parts of the country, prompting innovative solutions. Smart water systems. Cities like Las Vegas and Phoenix are using IoT sensors to monitor water usage, detect leaks, and manage resources more efficiently. Stormwater management. Green infrastructure projects in places like New Orleans help reduce flooding by using permeable pavements and rain gardens. Desalination technology. California is investing in state-of-the-art desalination plants to turn seawater into drinking water with reduced energy consumption. Public-private partnerships, driving innovation. The USA has embraced public-private partnerships to fund and execute large-scale infrastructure projects. High-speed rail projects. California's high-speed rail is a prime example, bringing together state funding and private investment to connect major cities more efficiently. Smart city collaborations. Corporations like IBM and Google are partnering with municipalities to implement AI-driven urban planning solutions. Digital twin technology is revolutionizing how infrastructure is planned and maintained in the U.S. Applications in transportation. The Port Authority of New York and New Jersey uses digital twins to simulate and improve traffic flow across bridges and tunnels. Predictive maintenance. Airports like Denver International are using digital twins to identify wear and tear before it becomes a costly problem. Federal support for infrastructure modernization. The U.S. government has made infrastructure a priority through large-scale funding initiatives. The Bipartisan Infrastructure Law 2021 allocates $1.2 trillion to improve roads, bridges, broadband, and public transit while emphasizing sustainability and efficiency. Renewable energy investments. Federal tax credits are driving the adoption of solar and wind power, as well as energy-efficient building retrofits. The U.S. is adopting circular economy principles to reduce waste and maximize resource reuse. Urban mining. Cities like San Francisco are leading the way in recovering valuable materials from construction and demolition waste. Energy recovery. Waste-to-energy plants in Massachusetts and Florida convert landfill waste into electricity. 10. Community-focused urban planning. U.S. cities are reimagining urban spaces to improve quality of life while enhancing infrastructure efficiency. Walkable cities. Portland, Oregon, is a model for designing pedestrian-friendly neighborhoods with reduced car dependency. Green spaces. New York's High Line and Atlanta's Beltline are transforming underutilized areas into thriving public parks and pathways. The United States is setting the global standard for efficient infrastructure innovations. By embracing smart technology, sustainable practices, and community-driven planning, the nation is building a future that balances economic growth with environmental responsibility. If you're inspired by these advancements and want to learn more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on infrastructure innovation and sustainability.